Hey friends, if camera is not working on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So first is you need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and then make a restart of your Windows. Try restarting your Windows first because once you are going to restart your Windows, this will refresh all the system processes of your Windows. Then if restarting works for you, then good, but if not, then move to the next methods. Click on the Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on Privacy and Security. That's under Accessibility. Scroll down and you will find App Permissions. Click on Camera. You'll find Camera Access. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps have camera access when this is on. If this button is switched off, make sure this is switched on. And also let apps access your camera, make sure this button is on, especially for all the applications that will access your camera. Once this is ensured, simply close this window. Then make a search for camera in the Windows search bar. Best match. Right click and then select App Settings. Now app permissions, make sure that all of these are on. Background app permissions, let this app run in background. Do not choose never. Again, do not choose never. It's either always or power optimized, but just go with always. Then scroll down and you'll find repair. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Click on repair. Now, once you clicked on repair, try to see if the problem has been fixed. But if not, then just simply go back to the same window. Then click on reset. If this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Click reset and reset once again. So once this is done, just simply close this window and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and then restart. Next method is we also need to make sure that our Windows is up to date. So click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane in the list of options, click on Windows Update. Then click this button to check for any updates, as outdated Windows can also cause different problems and issues on your Windows, so you need to make sure this is up to date. So this will download and install the latest updates for your Windows. So once this is done, just simply close this window and then make a right click at the start button, select Device Manager. Then here in the Device Manager window, you need to look for the cameras, or if you cannot find your cameras, click on this click on your laptop name and then click on Action and then click on Scan for hardware changes. And then once your camera is back, click on this. Make a right click and then select Disable. Click on Yes. And then wait for some time. And then make a right click on it and then select Enable. And then try to see if the problem has been fixed. Well, if in some cases still the issue is existing, then go back to the same Device Manager window and then make a right click on your camera, select Update Driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this windows and then just restart your Windows afterwards. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.